Lifting techniques. Basic rules of good lifting. Size up the load before you lift. Bend your knees. Center yourself over the load. Get a good handhold. Lift straight up, let your legs do the work. Don't twist or turn. Have a clear path. Set the load down properly. Always push a cart or dolly. Get help for long loads. Split up heavy loads when you can. If back pain occurs, you may have a serious problem if resting a few days doesn't help. You have a feeling of numbness in your lower limbs. For on-the-job relief, get up a stretch if you sit for long periods. Shift your feet if you stand. Avoid leaning to one side if you stand. Injuries that occur to backs. Strains and sprains. Ruptured or slipped discs. Chronic tension and stress. Other forms of back pain. Some injuries require surgery. Some injuries lead to permanent disability. Back injuries can limit activities on and off the job. Correct lifting posture. Bend knees. Center body over the load. Lift straight up. Never twist or turn when lifting. Add strain to back's discs, muscles, ligaments, tendons. Plan your lift to avoid awkward positions. Set load down if you're losing your grip. Don't twist and turn or juggle load to regain grip. Keep back as straight as possible. Carrying the load. Ensure a clear path. Ensure a place where load can be set down. Check for stability of load. Can you get a good grip? Is the load too heavy for one person? Follow lifting weight restrictions. Test the weight by carefully pushing load or lifting one corner. Use mechanical equipment if load is too heavy. Get help if load is too heavy. Lift at the same time to keep load balanced. Lowering the load. Bend the knees. Slowly lower it. Do not drop the load. Avoid sudden movements. Bend knees to let leg muscles support the weight. Lower the load at the same time if working with partner. Pushing versus pulling a load. Pushing a load is easier on the back. Pushing a load is easier to control. Plan ahead. Avoid using lower rack for moderately heavy, too heavy items, or awkward items. Get help when lifting heavy, awkward, or long items. Size up the load. Can it be split into multiple loads? Smaller loads cause less strain on the back. Use material handling equipment if load is too heavy. Forklifts, hoists, dollies. Other factors in back injuries. Age of employee. Improper postures when sleeping, standing, sitting. Physical condition of employee. Repetitive motions. Summary of main points. Types of injuries. Proper lifting techniques. Other factors in back injuries. Thank you.